Here we are today, and you know what? I decided that since we're getting close to Passover, it's time to make some Matzo Brei. I learned how to make Matzo Brei, which I learned from my mother. It's my favorite. So I'm gonna share this recipe with you. Matzos, a couple of eggs. I got a mixer here. We're gonna use that to make the meringue. I'm gonna take my matzos, wet them down. So we just kind of get them all nice and wet right here. Now we're gonna just crunch them up like this. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a bunch of salt and pepper. We got some salt. I'm gonna separate the eggs out. And we're gonna do 3 of these. And now we're gonna just get this going. All right, let's check this out. It stays in the bowl, leave it upside down. So that means we have got a good, successful meringue. So now what we're gonna do is first I'm gonna mix this together here. We're gonna get a little bit of the snow. We're gonna start to fold that in. Look at that, that's just amazing. All right, now we're gonna fry it up. Add the Matzo Brei right into the pan here. It's just gonna fry up, all nice and bubbly there. Beautiful. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. Look at that. You can already see, look at how golden brown that is. Now it's done. I'm going to take it out of the pan. Just going to put them on here. Look at that. Oh. Both sides are just spectacular. I got one of these little golden nuggets of Matzo Brei right here. Let's taste it. Oh man, look at that. The steam coming off of that. It's just spectacular. Inside is nice and soft. The pepper and the salt, it's just really not overpowering at all, but it just all blends all the flavors together. So I taste the eggs, I taste the matzah, I taste the olive oil that I fried it in. I mean, oh, this is like a major treat. And hope you enjoy this. Hope you had a good time. Happy Passover. Enjoy.